Yo, what's going on, guys? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You get the deal. Other thing is Apex is running a 80% off sale, so I highly recommend getting a couple evaluation accounts using that SAVE80 code. Click the link in my description. This is Apex, whatever. Really good practice. Helps me a lot. Third thing is my Discord will be opening back up again when the month starts. So if you want to watch me live stream every day, get in there. I teach a lot and I just drop a lot of gems, so I think it's been worth it to a lot of people. So yeah, I'm gonna start just doing a review of today. Very interesting day. The first thing you should be noticing in the 1 hour is after we kind of pulled back this morning, okay, we got a 1 hour fair value gap, okay? And I always say, like, so this is a 50-50 situation, okay? Why is this 50-50? It's because when we retrace to this fair value gap, okay, we're delivering from a bullish fair value gap, okay, from discount. Well, semi-discount. So if you draw the, let me see if I find, where's the fib? All right, there. Fib from here to here. Okay, we're delivering from this bullish fair value gap. So typically I'll say, okay, if we're delivering from here, this is 50-50, you don't want to short this, and we're likely going to inverse it. But you don't really know. So because this is a 1 hour time frame, you can go to the lower time frame and be like, okay, I understand there's a 1 hour fair value gap here. Look for a smaller fair value gap. Maybe we'll see a smaller fair value gap, right? And I'm actually going to use NQ for this example because I think there's a confirmation setup. But if you look at NQ, you can see when ES was rejecting from this right here, okay, at this time, you can see NQ was rejecting from this fair value gap, okay? So you can just see NQ is rejecting from that fair value gap, and it gave us a confirmation setup on NQ, okay? So when you see this, okay, when you see this, I always talk about confirmation setups. You can see this was inverse as well. Okay, so this is inverse, and this is the confirmation short. When you see this, and there's equal lows below, is right here, you should know that this is the draw. Okay, and I want to go over something. There was equal highs left in the 4 hour time frame. So it was semi 50-50 at first, so I'll tell you when it was 50-50. It was 50-50 in this scenario, okay? But after we kind of got the rejection and then the confirmation setup and then this stump, I kind of knew we were going to go to the equal lows because structured, we just got a lot of speed here. You can see this wick came right down. Usually when this happens, we end up going back. So I would say up here is mostly 50-50. In my Discord, I actually said, if this gets inversed, I'll long to these equal highs, but it never did. Okay? So this was never inversed, right? There was never a close above this, and we got a confirmation set up. And I did not short this, but I ended up shorting down here a little bit because I was like, okay, this is now getting violated. I took a short with a micro, got stopped out at break even after scaling some, and then I chased another short, and yeah, so didn't really give us any opportunity to actually take a full size position. But you can kind of see it was 50-50, and then it wasn't, because it was 50-50, then all these bullish PD arrays started getting violated, right? You can see this was violated, this order block was violated, and when all these get violated, okay, you know that we should go the opposite direction. Okay, so that was that. The other thing is if you look at the daily, and ES and Q, okay, what do you see? Giant SMT, okay? So from here to this high, you can see giant SMT at the top, okay? That was the other bearish indicator, or other bearish indication, all right? So a lot going on. I know it's sometimes hard to remember, but that was the other thing I was kind of looking at this morning. So really tomorrow, I know it's been by the dip theme. But tomorrow, I am not longing, or I am not literally looking to long too long. I might scalp long for like a pullback if we go back up here, but I'm not going to hold it that long because I think they're because of the SMT and just this fair value gap right here, I think it's going to be a better idea to look for a short. I don't know which we're going to reject. Okay, we could go all the way up to inverse this BPR actually, so we could go all the way up to here. But this is when I watch the lower time frame and I look for a confirmation set up in the lower time frame. So, and then I'm watching this weekly fair value gap on gold as well. Okay, it's also an inverse. I'll be looking for a long setup from this. Oil was clean today. You can see this oil got inverse right here. Got another bearish fair value gap here and another BPR right here. So clean shorts on oil today. And then Euro USD just smack this buy set and just dump. So I think we keep dumping into this low because it's this low before this fair value gap, and then based on the reaction to this, I'll kind of see what's going on. But Euro is interesting because we are delivering from a bearish fair value gap up here. Okay, so because we're delivering from this, I can honestly see us going to hit these equal lows. Okay, obviously I'll watch for the reaction out of this, but I'm more interested in like a short right now in Euro. You can see there's an order block up here. So yeah, that's a little more review of today and what I think's gonna go or what I think's gonna happen. We'll go over why I am for now, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Other than that, stay blessed and peace out.